Hey, what's up? Welcome back to a new video. Today I'm gonna be you can see that I disassembled the Hammerhead BT from Razer because I had a problem in the charging jack. It means when I'll demonstrate. When I plug this in my power bank, and I have to be careful not to rip the cables because they're a bit loose. But when I opened this was hard and I broke it a bit. I'm gonna try and fix it. This plastic here, this is glued tight. I tried to heat it up, but I bent everything. When I tried to take it apart, the cables for the connections, I ripped free. I didn't even know where they went. Now I found out how they go. But my problem was that when I charged this, when I used to charge this, the red or the green light, when it's fully charged, it wouldn't come on. And when I opened this, there are like under these cables, I don't know if I can zoom more. Under these cables there were ceramic capacitors and everything. Well, everything was corroded. That's once I was working outside with these, and I was working in the garden, and I was sweating, and it seems like water, my sweat went inside and it corroded a bit everything. So my thing was I had to open it up, and now it's fixed. And I've checked, there's no videos on YouTube of Razer Hammerhead BT open, and this is how it is inside. It's so small, the buttons are very small. This here is the right. The cables are soldered here, and here, well, they're also. This is an how do you say it? This is a pain to solder these cables back because the solder doesn't want to stick, even with flux and everything. So now it's done. I'm not gonna touch it anymore, and I'm gonna put the cover on, glue it, and it's fixing again. It's fixed and it's working again. So I hope you liked the video. I've checked on YouTube and there were no Razer Hammerhead BT disassembly videos on there, so I decided to make a video for you guys so you can see how it is inside. And this, by the way, well, inside is the battery. It's in here in the Razer case. I disassembled it because my warranty is over, and I had to do something before it corrodes more, because if it corrodes more, the pads rip off. So yeah, there you go, guys. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video. I'll see you in the next one. See ya.